So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to make a video. So I am making a video about collision detection. So let's get started. In this video we will make lava in a scene and make it work so we can restart our game. So let's get started. My name is Govind. You are watching Code Crusher. I don't know, I messed up my intro. Okay, so first what we need to do, this is the second part of a video series that I am doing named How to Make a Game in Unity for Absolute Beginners. Okay, so let's just go to our scripts folder, right click, create C# script. So we are just going to create a new C# script and name it whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it on collision restart. Okay, let's just double click to open this in the editor of your choice. In my case, I'm going to open it in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so let it open. It usually takes 1 or 2 seconds. So for that, we have a default script. So what we will do, we will remove this text, the void start and the void update function, because we don't need that crap. So first line, let's just get started. We are going to put some square brackets in and then we are going to type serialized field. We are just putting a serialized field attribute in. We learned about that in the last video. So I will just type serialize field and then press enter and then type string. In here we are making an variable. So string is the type of the variable that we are making. So now we have to give our variable a name. So the name, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it str tag. Like just, you can name it whatever you want. Let me name it just the tag, or the str tag was also great. Okay, then what we need to do is press enter, then type on collision. Okay, I have autocomplete in Visual Studio Code about this function. I'll just press enter and remove this text. Or if you, in some case, your autocomplete is not working, you can just type what I just typed right here. And inside of that function, we need to type an if statement. Type if, enter, autocomplete. And inside of our if statements brackets, we need to type if collision, not capital, collision dot collider dot, if collision dot collider is double equals to tag, then we are going to put, okay, before doing this, I should probably tell this, go to the top and then copy the using Unity engine, Control C, copy. In the next line, Control V, paste that, then remove the semicolon, put dot scene management and then put a semicolon. So we are just going to use the scene management library in our code. So we need to tell Unity that we are using that library. So that's what we did right here. We have these 3 libraries by default when we make a script, and we added another one, Unity engine.scene management. Inside of our if statement, we need to type scene manager If I misspell, I don't know, I will correct it in the video. Okay, please put in dot scene manager dot load scene, put semicolon, not semicolon, put parentheses. Inside of those parentheses, we need to type scene manager dot get active scene. Get active scene. I should probably do this. Okay, so to get active scene, then put parentheses. After the parentheses, type dot name and then put semicolon after the line. Save this. This was the script. Go to Unity, and as expected, we have an error. Okay, so the error is the name of the scene is not available. Okay, so as expected, we have some errors. So let me save this. And to solve these 3 errors, what we need to do is, you might not have these errors, but I have. Okay, so first we need to read our first error. That is, the name collision does not exist in the current context. Go to your script, go back to your script and solve this error. Basically, on the parentheses of on collision enter, instead of other, we need to type collision again. Okay, I will just type collision. Okay, save this, go back to Unity, and as you can see, that error has been removed and there's another error basically. Okay, so this error says operator double equals to okay. So solve this error. After the collider thing, in the if statement, we need to type dot tag, because dot collider is not an string, so we cannot add an string. We cannot check if it is a tag because it's not a string and the tag is a string type variable. So save this, go back right here, not there. Okay, so that error has been removed. Now there are 2 errors. Basically, you may have catched this error. I misspelled manager, so you don't have to spell E, just type A. Okay, I misspell things. That's not a thing that I haven't misspelled. Okay, so save that, come back to Unity. It's gonna take its time to load, and voila, we do not have any errors. So to make this thing work, what we need to do is right click, 3D object, create in plane or and cube, any shape you prefer. Then what we need to do is, let's just scale it up, scale it, make it pretty big. Let's just type, if we can also scale it from right here, let's make it 100 by 100 by 100. But the y value does not really matter because it is in plane. It does not matter how high you go on the y value, it will stay at as it is. So, and then what we need to do, go to our materials folder, right click, create. Let's just create a new material, name it lava, and then let's just, in the next video I might give you guys a lava texture. So, but for the sake of this video, we will just get a nice orange reddish color, and then we just drag this to our plane and we have a lava. But as you can see, it is below the grid, so that's why we are getting the grid above it, and we are not gonna get it in our game mode. But I don't really like this, so what the solution, the really easy solution that I found for this is I am just going to move everything. Select this, deselect this, and I'm just going to move everything up, but I'm not going to move the lava, and then I'm going to move the lava a little up, so we don't really get that grid. Okay, so that was that. After that, what we need to do is go to our script folder again, drag our on collision restart script to a lava. I should probably rename this F2 to rename so I don't get confused. Then drag the on collision script to our lava, and as you can see, it has been added right here. So you can just see that we have our tag option right here, as we did the serialized field as a string to that tag. So we have that option right here. We can change it whatever we want. And first what we need to do is select our sphere, our player, and then what we need to do is, as you can see, it says untagged after tag right here. We need to drag that. You can add untagged, or you can just select the player tag because it is our player, or you can also add your own tags by hitting add tag. Okay, so I set this to player, then I will go to my lava and then set this tag to player as well. Player. Okay, that I will save Unity. Okay, then I guess everything is in place. Then I will hit play. I will just hit play, and then let's see if everything is working. Okay, so I am playing. Let's just fall down, and then let's just see if, yeah, everything is working. If we just go down, when we hit that lava, we restart right here. So let's just try this. Okay, so if you are confused why these ones are different than the golden ones, I just in the last video I said you can make your own materials. So I just made 2 of the materials. I duplicated those, and then just to put some, I don't know why I am telling that to you guys, but voila, our collision restart thingy is working, and whenever we touch that, we are restarting wherever we are on the scene, and everything is getting restarted. Okay, so did you like the video? No. Before going, I also wanted to show you something else. Okay, the coin making is going to be for another video, but just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to make a really simple script for coin. This is not going to count some coin and stuff. First, it's just a simple script. You can skip this part if you want to, but you should not, because I'm just going to make some simple coins and you should probably know this. So right click on the hierarchy. Okay, first, before right clicking on the hierarchy, let me just select all of the level things like the cube and all of the planes. Okay, so these are the things. Then I will just right click, create an empty object, name it level. Okay, I misspelled even level. What am I doing? Okay, so what I can do is can just select everything in the level, even the lava, and I can just drag that under that level thing. So now we have everything organized right here. Okay, for the coin things, let's just right click, create, and C# script, name it coin. Then right click over here under hierarchy. Why is it not working? Hello? What happened to Unity? Hello? Why am I? Okay. And then create an sphere. Make it like that. Get it right about here. And then what I can do is select the scaling tool, scale it down a little bit, and then scale it from this axis like this. Okay, so you can do this too, this axis like that, and then that is that. Go to materials, right click, what I just did. Okay, I just clicked something else, so you can just hit create and material, name it coin, or if you have any more creative name for this, name doesn't really matter. Then we can just drag this material to our coin. Okay, now we just have a simple coin model. Okay, so then what we are going to do is go to our scripts folder, double click on the coin script to open this in Visual Studio Code or the editor of your choice. Remove all of this text, or you can just press enter, type on collision enter, then remove all of this crap. Keep this as simple as possible. And then inside of this, what we can do is, it is very simple to do this. You can just do destroy parentheses, or it was on destroy, I think so. Nope, it was not on destroy. And then you can just do game object. Save this, go back to Unity, let it load. Yep, we have an error. Why wouldn't we? Forgot to put the semicolon. Go back to Unity. Okay, we have an error again. We do not need to put the game object. Oh, what am I doing? Go back right here. Okay, what you have to say now, console error. Okay, so we do have to type game object, but O should be capital. Okay, this is just some happy shit. Okay, let's just go back, let it. Okay, now we don't have an error. That's great. We can drag this coin script to a coin. Then we just have that script right there. And then what we can do is place these coins wherever you want on your scene. This is just a really quick alternative. I'm going to make a video about this, in which you are actually going to see the score, save this, and then play this, and then let it play. Videos. Okay. So okay. Obviously, I put the coin too upwards that I can't even reach that high. Let me just go to this coin, and okay, I missed it. Okay, if I will touch this coin, it disappears. So that is what I just made, and really simple. It is not the coin system that we are going to have in the final game, the final product. Okay, so that is it for today. I will see you in another video.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't, hit that like button, and for more awesome tunes, subscribe and hit that bell icon like you should have already. Okay, so bye bye and thanks for watching. See you in another tune.